In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Jira with Slack. First, open Slack and make sure you are logged into the workspace where you want Jira notifications to appear. You should also have permission to add apps to the workspace, or you may need help from a workspace admin. Next, go to the Slack app directory and search for Jira Cloud. Open the Jira Cloud app page, then click Add to Slack. Slack will ask you to choose the workspace and approve the permissions needed for the integration. After that, connect your Atlassian account. Log in with the same account you use for Jira. Then select the Jira site or project you want to connect with Slack. Once Jira is connected, choose the Slack channel where you want updates to appear. For example, you might use a channel like Project-Updates, Dev-Team, or Support-Tickets. Now configure the notification settings. You can choose which Jira events should send messages to Slack, such as issue created, issue updated, comment added, status changed, or issue assigned. For a cleaner workflow, avoid sending every single update to Slack. Choose only the most important notifications so your team does not get overwhelmed by too many messages. You can also use Jira commands inside Slack, depending on the integration features available in your workspace. For example, you may be able to create issues, search tickets, or view issue details directly from Slack. After setting everything up, test the integration by creating or updating a Jira issue. Then check your selected Slack channel to confirm that the notification appears correctly. If notifications do not show up, check the app permissions, connected Jira project, and channel settings. That's it. Jira and Slack are now connected, making it easier for your team to track project updates and collaborate faster. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.